Good afternoon. I am here to show you how to multiply one-digit numbers by multiples of 10. We have our problem here, 60 times 3 equals 180. This is your format. You have 60 plus 60 plus 60. In our ones column, all of our zeros added is 0. Looking in our tens column, we have 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 180. The second way of solving this problem is the newest format. You have the same problem, 60 times 3, it equals 180. I like to tell the students, the 0 is not important right now, so cover up that 0, which leaves you the 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. That 0 that you had covered up, just transfer it over. The third way of doing it is the old school format. You see that the problem is written out left to right. Old school, we put it top to bottom. We have 0 times 3 is 0. 3 times 6 is 18. You have 180, 180, 180. And this is how we multiply one-digit numbers by multiples of 10. Parents, I encourage you to allow your child to solve it in the way that's most comfortable for them. I like to tell the students, just get to the right answer. There's no specific way of solving. Just solve and get to the right answer. Thank you for tuning in. This is Nakimia Ratliff, 3rd grade at Page Street Elementary.